Do you want to guide your customers to their perfect product match? Well, I have the ultimate tool for you. And the great news is, you can start using it right away. So get ready to revolutionize your customer experience and help them find their products effortlessly. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Alright, so let's begin. Let's go to the Formula dashboard and open the templates gallery. In the search bar, let's search for product recommendation. Today, let's use this one. Great, now we can see the editor page and the menu on the left where we can drag and drop to add different fields and options to your form. You can also remove fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. As you can see, this form contains 3 single choice fields to gather information. Here you can change the title, and here is where you can customize the text and add images to further personalize your form. In the product fields, you can set the minimum and maximum amount as well as the unit price. And here you can add images to your options. And as you can see, here is a section field. You can add a message inside the description as well as add links and images if you wish to. Awesome! Now let's go to the Logic and Calculator tab. And here you can see an overview of your logic. Now let's click on Advanced Logic. With Logic, you can collect data from your customers based on different categories. Like for example, you can show or hide the next fields on your form. So let's say your client selected the option 3 oval face of your single choice field to My Face Shape Is, and they are looking for option 2 men's sunglasses, then jump to Smith Lowdown Slim. And so on and so forth, you can create your logic for the next options. Awesome! Now let's go to the Design tab. Here you can change the look of your form by, for example, changing the theme and colors of your form, change the font. You can also change the background image and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Now let's scroll to the top, and here, as you can see, this is a multi-step form, which means all questions will be shown on multiple pages, and with the single-step form option, all the questions are shown on a single page. Now here in the Notifications tab, you can enable this option to get a notification every time someone submits your form and add another email for your team to forward the same notification to. Pretty cool, right? Here in the Settings tab, you can select the form with payment option and choose your payment method. Your form will automatically redirect to the payment gateway. If you would like to know more about this option, I have left for you a video to check in the top right corner. Once you're done customizing your form, you can embed it to your website, and to do so, click Save and Use in Website. Here you can choose to use it as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Simply click the code Formula gives you and paste it to your website, and it starts to work right away. And there you have it! Now you can create your own product recommendation form and customize it to your liking. This template is ideal for e-commerce businesses or any company with a large product catalog. You can sign up at Formula for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulaing!